Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. Best Investments by Means sa Budget. I am an accredited seller of the DMCA Home. So today, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung mga sample competitions natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Hello po, sa kamusta po kayo. So today ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung sample competitions natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. So currently we have an ongoing promo po para kay Allegra Garden Place, is yung New Year sellout promo natin na extended yon until February 20, until end of this month 2025. Okay, February 28, 2025. Wherein meron kayong tatlong options. Okay, so before I start with the competition, so quick information muna about this project. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay, in Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. Ngayon kung nadadaan kayo sa Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market, going to BGC, makikita nyo yan sa right side. Merong 5 buildings na nakatayo doon, which is yung dalawang pinakamataas, that's Allegra Garden Place. Well, yung tatlo po, remaining na tatlo, yun yung si Prisma Residences, okay? So, pero for this project po kay Allegra Garden Place, we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. We're i-discuss ko yun, yung mga sample competitions natin for those unit types, okay? And then, ngayon, I'll discuss the promo. So, ang promo natin is 12% down, tatlong options, okay? So, first option, meron tayong 12% down payment in 36 months with 1% discount. Second option is 12% down payment in 30 months with 2% discount. And lastly, 12% down payment in 24 months with 3% discount. So that's ano rin, and also applicable din iyon regardless with the nationality. Okay, and pwede rin siya yung balance through in-house financing, bank financing, or pwede nyo rin i-cash. Okay, so ito right now, nandito ako ngayon kay Fairlane Residences. So after nitong video na to, itutur ko kayo kasi naggumawa ako ng video kanina. Itutur ko kayo dito sa project na to because I believe last video kaya yata dito, di ko alam kung parang last 2023 pa yata, 2 years ago to 1.5 years ago. So medyo matagal na. So maganda yung kasi nung last na video ko dito, hindi pa siya ganitong katapos eh. So right now, nandito ako sa mga grill pits natin dito. Okay, so para at least medyo mahangin. And then, fresh air, maganda yung surroundings dito. Okay? So, ngayon, let's start with the computation. Let's start first with the studio unit. Okay? So, sa studio unit, this one is in Soraya Building. Okay? So, kasi kay Amina Building, meron lang po tayo doon 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. Pero dito kay Soraya Building, lahat ng unit types, meron pa tayong available. Pero yung, I believe, yung 3-bedroom unit, yung very limited na lang natin dito. Okay? So, for the studio unit, it is priced at 5.1 million. Okay, so let's start with the first option, yung 12% down payment in 36 months with 1% discount. So magle-less pa tayo ng 1% discount. So dito ang monthly down payment ninyo for 36 months, okay, so for 12% down payment na 615,000. So ang monthly niyo is 16,531. Okay, so napakamababa. Imagine nyo para kayong nag-pre-selling na rin dito. Well, sa second option natin, 12% of 5, so 5 million na lang siya, 5 million din, less 2% discount, mas malaki yung discount niya, from 5,177,000 down to 5,074,000 kasi 103,000 yung discount natin. So ang 12% niya is at 608,000. So equally divided natin yon for 30 months less the reservation fee. Ang monthly down payment natin will fall at 19,600. Diba? So napaka mababa rin. Ang kagandahan din nito, malaki yung discount mo, and then halos minimum lang din yung monthly down payments natin. Okay, and then lastly yung sa studio natin na last option, yung 12% down payment with 3% discount. So for this promo, nag-less tayo ng 155,000 pesos, diba? So halos ano na lang 5,022,000 na lang yung contract price, net contract price. So, for this unit naman, ang monthly down payment mo for 2 years at 24 months is at 24,279. Okay? And the remaining balance natin na remaining balance natin na 88% plus the closing fees, yun na yung magiging loanable amount natin. So, nakikita nyo dyan sa screen yung computation natin. So, maximum of 20 years nag-range siya from 35 to 36,000. Yung 15 years natin from 40 to 41,000. And for 10 years natin at 51 to 52,000 a month. Okay? Yung next computation naman natin is for the 1-bedroom unit. Okay? So, sa 1-bedroom unit, ang nangyari dito, ang price natin for a 1-bedroom unit, kay Amina Building naman po ito. Okay? So, applicable din yung promo na yon for Amina Building. So, it is priced at 5.4 million. So, yung size nito ni Amina Building, this one is the same, halos the same with the studio units of Soraya. Okay, so ang pricing is at 5.4 million. So same term din. So first option natin 12% in 36 months at 17,000 a month. Second option natin with 2% discount, so for 30 months at 20,600. And lastly, for 24 months for 2 years with 3% discount, nag-less tayo ng 163,000. So ang monthly down payment natin is at 25,000 pesos. Okay, so napaka magaan po yung natin, yung monthly payments natin for this project. Okay? And then yung next computation natin, this one is for the 2-bedroom unit para kay Amina Building din. Okay? So ang price ng Amina Building is at 8.1 million and that's a 57 square meters. I believe this one is the unit facing yung sa likod ng elevator. Okay? So dito, option 1 natin, 12% in 36 months with 1% discount. So ang discount natin would be at 81,000. So ang down payment natin for 36 months for 3 years time. So at 26,464. While yung second option natin for 30 months at 31,400. And lastly, yung for 2 years natin with 3% discount, so mag-less tayo 245,000. So at for 24 months, ang monthly down payment natin is at 38,800. Okay? And then remaining balance natin, again yun na yung iloloan natin kay bank. So with the approximate monthly amortization for 20 years at 55 to 57,000, for 15 years at 63 to 65,000, and for 10 years at 81 to 82,000 pesos. Okay? And then lastly, yung 3-bedroom unit natin, yung 3-bedroom unit natin, ang meron na lang tayo dito is kay Soraya Building. Okay? So pagdating sa Soraya Building, very limited na lang. Ang price ng 3-bedroom natin is 11.6 million. Okay? So first option natin for 36 months at 37,000 a month, 37,900. For second option with 2% discount for 30 months at 45,000 pesos. At lastly, for 24 months at 55,000 pesos. Okay? Ayan. So that concludes my sample computations po for this project. And if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung mga numbers ko na flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. We can schedule an online presentation via Zoom or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Okay? So again, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay mananotify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.